Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with spam messages or just want some peace on WhatsApp, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to block a number on WhatsApp in 2025. This feature has gotten even smarter with the latest updates, making it super easy to protect your privacy. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your phone. In 2025, WhatsApp has rolled out enhanced security options, so updates are key. Open the WhatsApp app and head to your chats list. Find the conversation from the number you want to block. It's that simple. Tap on the chat to open it. Once you're in the chat, look for the contact's name or number at the top. Tap on it, and you'll see a menu pop up. Scroll down until you find the Block option. Go ahead and tap that. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm if you really want to block this number. Just hit Block again to proceed. That's it. The person won't be able to send you messages, calls, or even see your online status. A quick tip. After blocking, you might want to report the number if it's spam. This helps WhatsApp improve their algorithms to fight unwanted contacts. Also, if you change your mind, you can always unblock them by going to Settings, Privacy, Blocked Contacts. Remember, in 2025, WhatsApp's AI features can even suggest blocking suspicious numbers automatically. Pretty cool, right? Blocking a number is a great way to keep your chats clutter-free and secure. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe online.